Today is going to be an extremely low-key video. Oh, sorry about the bumps. Today's going to be done with 2 GoPros and my GoPro 10 starting to act like an idiot again. I'm telling you. It may be the better of the 2 GoPros, but believe me, it has the most problems sometimes. Today we're just going to go on back roads and just do some chatting. I'm going to show you the road and we're just going to go from there. Sound good? Because honestly, what can you do on a rainy day? Well, drive around. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, we're on one of our back roads. What's funny is we take a lot of back roads. Everywhere we go, we like to do back roads. Because on back roads, you see a lot of things of interest. You see nature, obviously. You see other little things we might write down for the future. And you see a lot of deer. But yeah, this back road you're seeing right now, oh my gosh. I could go back 30, 40 years and tell you things I've done on this road. Holy smokes. I remember when this road was just dirt. What I really need is another camera so I can have Kitt on here as well. I did have another camera, but that's another story, trust me. I'm not happy what happened to that one. And for some reason, this camera, which I don't want to say the name, keeps turning off on me. Oh my lord, but I need a Kitt cam. I do. But as what you see right now, or what you see right now, is one of our country roads. We love to drive every now and then. Oh my god, tell me if this ain't beautiful. Tell me this isn't, this is what I call life. This is my salvation right here. Beautiful countryside. There's nothing for miles on each side. This is straight wilderness. We're driving right down through the middle of it. But as you can tell, they don't do any work on the roads. You know what I forgot to do, Ange?
What?
And there's Ange. She's driving today. I forgot to go 3, 2, 1 so I can match up the road with my boys. The thing about going back roads is it's so relaxing. It truly is. Now, it's supposed to stop raining about 3 o'clock, which will give us 2 hours. 2 hours of daylight left. I don't know about you guys, but I hate this time of year. I hate it that it gets dark at 5 o'clock. Hell, the closer we get to Christmas, it'll be getting dark before 5 o'clock. Yeah, oh boy. Yeah, we're bouncing all over on these back roads. Angie's going a little fast on these back roads. Well, you showing off with the camera, Angie?
No, I have a tail.
Oh, we got a tail. Yeah, we sure do. That's the other thing, too. What about you guys? If you ever driving on back roads and you get somebody behind you, don't you just freaking hate it? Around here in these parts, not only do they like to get on your butt, they like to follow very close and get right up on your... That's aggravating, ain't it? This is one of the prettiest parts of our back road right here. With the leaves hitting the ground. And yeah, coming up here, there's usually some dogs in the yard. And we always say they were Kitt's friends. By the way, Kitt's in the backseat sleeping. Anymore, that's what he do on car rides, sleeps. And, well, sometimes he'll wake up when we come to a stop. But in his mind, like, well, wherever we end up, it'd be a new smells and whatever. You know, I am so freaking off game right now. I'm not used to sitting down and talking to a damn camera. Yeah, right there is where Kitt's friends are. 3 dogs. And they usually chase the car as we drive by. Yeah, they do. Here in a little bit, we're getting ready to go on a road that is the prettiest road. A road I wish I could live on. And you'll see why in just a little bit. But yeah, we're still on our country roads. This is what we do a lot. We know, well, mainly, my wife is the best at it. She knows every country road around these parts for, I say, every bit of 70, 80 miles. Yeah. The beautiful thing about the country roads is you see all these old farmhouses. These were the roads back in the day that if you had to get anywhere, these are the roads you took. I'm serious. I think I'm serious. Okay, I'm trying to figure out, should I cut the camera off? No. We're going to make this a long take, guys, because my favorite spot's coming up. So hang in there. We're just going to go around this corner, and you'll see why it's one of my favorite places. Oh, I'm telling you now. You got the creek on the left. You got something getting ready to happen here in a little bit. The road will narrow, and here it comes. I will give anything to live right around here. There you go. You got the train track right there on the left. And oh my gosh. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, now we have caught the train on here multiple times as you're driving down. Now, you know how, I'm not going to say messed up, you know how cool that is? The train no more than about 6 feet from your car as you're driving down. Now, this train track will run all the way through here, all the way till we get ready to make our turn. And I'm going to show you a place I call Mayberry, USA.
In the house that I love.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, we should get that on there.
Yes.
Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, I want to show you this part right here. Now we're getting ready to go over the tracks. And there's a house down here. These are going to be long takes, by the way, guys. Like I said, it's a low-key video. There's going to be a house down here. Angie and I want to know more about it. We passed this house multiple times. Multiple times. By the way, these are the roads we use to get to Versailles State Park. These are the roads we use to cut out a lot of highway driving, so we're on these roads a lot. But yeah, there's a house coming up here shortly, and we want to know the history of it. We want to know more about it. There's nobody living in it. It's one of the prettiest, it's a log cabin. It's one of the prettiest log cabins you will ever see. It's almost like a show house, but nobody's living there, and they mow the grass. Well, at least they were mowing the grass once every Saturday. Here it comes right now. You see the barn? Right there's the barn. And oh shoot, you know what? I'm gonna turn this camera around, y'all. Okay, right there's the barn, and right here's the house. A little log cabin. I'm getting wet. Let me roll that up. Isn't that the prettiest thing? Now, up and around this corner, yeah, it's gonna be a long take. Sorry, y'all. Up and around this corner is a place I like to call Little Mayberry. Yeah, I call a lot of things Mayberry. I got a thing for Andy Griffin. Don't ask why, but I do. Actually, it's a little bit further up. So I tell you what, when we get up that far, then I will I'll record that.
It's right here.
Actually, it is right here. See how off my game is? If I ain't standing up, walking around, I am off game when I videotape. I gotta get used to this. Okay, here we go. As soon as we make our left-hand turn, a little teeny bit is what I call Mayberry. It's one of the prettiest places you will ever see. Okay, here we go. We go across this teeny little bridge. Oh man, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this like right out of a fairy tale, man? Oh wow. I keep telling Angie, I think it's one family that lives, that house over there, that house there, and this house on the right hand side. Oh man. Then we go up a small little hill, and yeah. Alright guys, we'll see you on another road. Alright guys, since we are getting rain, the water is flowing. Oh, I don't know if you can see it over on the left hand side. Gosh. Oh, the water is flowing. You know, it's been so long since we've seen the water flow in the little creek beds because we've been in a drought. Oh man. You know, if we had enough time if it wasn't raining. See, we're going to get some more falls. We're going to go back to Richmond, Indiana and do some more falls out there. But we want to go out there when the falls are actually producing water. Alright, we're going to be making a right-hand turn up here, and we'll probably end it here soon. You know, sad to say, but we probably will. This is one of the other things we're known for here in southeastern Indiana, is the curves. You can't go nowhere without going around the curves and up and down the hillsides. Believe me, if you don't like curves and you don't like hills, don't move here. Trust me on this one. The road we're on now, if we stick on this road for about another 14 miles, we end up in Rising Sun, Indiana. Yeah, we was there yesterday. That's when we got the footage of the Ohio River. I think I could do that footage better if I did it over. So if you guys want me to do the Kentucky side, hopefully I get that one better. And the video I'm making now, if you want to see more videos like this, the more I do them, the better I will get. You know, I'm just, yeah, here you go. Here's one of these curves. It's just I don't do this type of videos often, and I'm not used to it. Not by any means, and I think it shows. It shows, Angie, it shows. Okay. You know, I was going to end it, but I said, what the hell? Why not? Let's just keep going with it. You guys cool with that? Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Many miles later, a detour later, we're getting ready to head into Rising Sun. Yeah, they've been working on a bridge way back that way. Been working on a bridge all summer. They still ain't got any closer to it, getting it done. But yeah, what is it? Okay, when you and your significant other, it can be a husband, wife, boyfriend, friend, or even your pet, what conversations do you have in the car when you guys drive around? I mean, Angie and I talk about everything under the sun. Everything. You name it. You know what's funny is, I've had a couple people, and it was like, you guys been married over 30 years? What's your secret? Truthfully, there is no damn secret. Either it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But, I would suggest, you know, you and your significant other, that could be a man, woman, or even your pet, friends, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter who your significant other is, but take a back road, take a country ride. It will clear the soul, I'm telling you that now. It would definitely clear the soul. Of course, one of the things we are blessed with, ain't that right, Ange? We are loaded with back roads and country where we live, southeastern Indiana. And I think the rain is starting to slow down. Well, we're going to go home and have some lunches. And if the rain does stop, we don't know how much daylight there's going to be left. Yeah, we may have to just watch TV. Yeah. Alright. I'll probably close her down the next clip unless something else appears. And like I said, if you want to see more of these videos, I will get better at it. But right now, it's a low-key video because honestly, I can't produce anything else. Because it's raining! I can't say I hate rain. I can't, because rain, we need rain, but I kind of like the drought we was going through. Just saying. I'll tell you what, the conversations you have in the car with your significant other, sometimes it's just crazy. Okay, we're going towards home. The rain is slowed down, but it hasn't stopped. So, guys, like I said before, the only way I can see myself doing a video like this again, maybe in the future I might, right? Unless it's another rainy day, I don't know. This video may never see, it may never air. I may start the editing and just delete it out. I don't know. I do feel a little bit more on game. Oh, look at the fog down yonder. Here, I'm gonna show y'all something from this side. Give me a minute. Look at the fog down there. Isn't that beautiful? Oops, sorry, I don't mean to get your house, people. Downright beautiful. Whoop, trying to roll my window up. Now I'm pushing down on it. Yeah, anti-smarticle. Alright guys, I'm going to close her out from here. My gosh, that fog. See, whenever I say I'm going to close that, they'll see something I want to show, but yeah, it's very foggy. Well, you can see it on that camera, I forgot. By the way, in case you're wondering how I'm doing this, I got my hat, which I only wore once yesterday. I got my GoPro 9 there, and I need another GoPro on here so I could get the Kitt cam. That's right. I want to get the Kitt cam. Maybe in the future I'll do something like that. That way you see me over here, Kitt over here. Maybe get one for Angie. You know, they do have things where I could put the camera like way back here. And even hook them on the windows. I need more suction cups. There we go. Let's get a whole slew of GoPros. Alright guys, till next time, leave your comments down below. It's been a low-key video. If you like these type of videos, maybe I'll come out with another one. Maybe if I do, I'll get better at it. But until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments down below. And we'll catch you next time. The next video will probably just be an average vlog, because it'll be a work week. Yeah. We'll see you then. I'm gone. I'm out of here. See, I am so off my game, I don't even know how to close my own video out. Just saying.